What's good, World Squad? You know I had to come back and hit y'all with another play. On this one, I want to talk about how you can double your money at a store like Second and Charles, right? And I know you may be like, Trav, man, I don't have Second and Charles in my area, but you may have a used bookstore, whatever. Use what you have in the area and run the play, and let's make it work. All right, so the first thing we want to do is make sure we got the proper equipment. You're going to definitely need a phone with Wi-Fi or with service. Either or will do the job. If you want to go the free route, you don't want to have any additional software or paid software, should I say, just use the Amazon SellersAmp, right? You can potentially run this play with absolutely no money into the software. Of course, we're going to need money to purchase the books. And the cost of the books will vary depending on which store or where the store is located in your area. But most of the time around here, I'm in the Southeast. Second and Charles prices is anywhere from about $5 to maybe $15 on the more expensive books, anywhere between that range. Now, if they know they have something absolutely good, it could go up a little bit higher. It could go up higher for the newer books, but if it's used, most of the time it's anywhere from $5 to $10 to maybe $15. All right, so you could just use the free route. Now, if you want to be more efficient and able to go through more books in a shorter period of time, man, I recommend Scout IQ. Get you a Bluetooth scanner. I recommend the eYoYo scanner, but you don't have to use it. All of this will be linked down in the description. But make sure you pick up the equipment. If you really want to flow through them things, man, Scout IQ and the scanner, and then you can really scan through these books. Now, once you have those, man, you're ready to rock and roll. All you need to do is find a location in your area, and then, man, we can start getting to it. One of the benefits of using Scout IQ is it has an ISBN reader, right? So what is that? Most of the time, you're going to be wanting to scan these barcodes, but Second and Charles is wising up. They started putting their price tags or their price stickers over the barcode, so people are not able to go in and scan those books. So what you want to do is open the front cover of the book, right? We got a book here. You want to open the front cover of the book, and behind the title page, it's going to have an ISBN number. Hopefully, we got focus here. The ISBN number, guys, is right here. You're going to use the feature on Scout IQ to read that, right? So if you're just quick with typing things in, you can just type in that number. But if you don't like to do all of that, you can just hit the button beside the scan button on Scout IQ, and it's going to allow you to, without typing it in, scan that number and pull that book right up. So that's a great feature. And also, if you just want to use the free app, you can scan the cover of these books. Now, one thing I will say about scanning the front cover of these books, absolutely make sure that the ISBN numbers line up, right? So the ISBN number ISBN, that acronym stands for International Standard Book Number, right? Make sure if it comes up as a hardback, it's actually a hardback, right? And if it comes up as a paperback, that it's a paperback book. So we don't want to scan the front cover of a book because Amazon, especially the free app, is notorious for this. You will scan and you will see a price for one book, and it's really for a different format, right? It could be the hardcover, the spiral bound, something different. So absolutely make sure the product details line up on both books. The book that you have in your hand and the book that's being pulled up on the app. From there, once you find that location, you get there, we already have our tools. You're going to go in there, you're going to go to work. Now, what I advise is the most profitable sections for me, man, I used to go in those stores and stay all day before I had automated systems to start to start bringing my books in like clockwork. This is really a beginner strategy in this book business. It's really low hanging fruit, how you can get in and start making money before you get to the more advanced strategies and building a real business and turning it from a side hustle to a real cash flowing sustainable business for the long run.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Once you get in there, the sections or the genres I like to go to, you want to make sure you definitely hit the education section, the textbook section. Man, that's always, no matter if you know, at a used bookstore or a library sale, make sure to hit those. Anything nonfiction, we got to hit it. I like the cookbooks, man. Cookbooks, I always can make great money on cookbooks. Again, these books are going to be priced for super cheap, and you're going to see them on Amazon where you can resell them for a better price. Another tip that I recommend, Second and Charles has like a rewards club or a membership group. Make sure you sign up for that. Like every day on my phone, I'm actually recording on my phone and I'm looking around for it. All right, but they send you texts whenever they have sales. So it could be, $20 or $15 off $50. Make sure you get those notifications, because whenever you go in there, not only are the books cheap, but you're going to be able to get them for a discount. Using your credit card with reward points if you have one, being a member using that coupon, that's going to be money. And also if you have a reseller's license where you get tax free on your purchases because you're going to resell them, man, make sure to take advantage of that. Once you put those together, you can increase your profit margins and we can keep more money inside Pocket National Bank, because that's the ultimate goal, to increase our bottom line. Again, you want to hit the textbooks, the cookbooks, educational books. I like sci-fi too, anything with graphic novels, comic section. Man, you hit them all, especially the game and strategies. Man, it's a lot of money to be made in those sections, right? So go in there, develop a plan. I would stay all day, because these stores are super huge. You just have to actually get after it, right? So let's just say a hypothetical situation. If you only had $100 and you wanted to turn it into $200, again, I'm going to head to that nonfiction section. I'm going to go to where the textbooks are. I'm going to scan it and see what they're going for on Amazon. And this is the cool thing about it. If you're holding on to your books, if they don't sell within a specific window of time, make sure to look at that refund policy. You can take them back, exchange them, get other books if they're not moving as fast as you like, right? So it's almost a no risk policy. Just be mindful of that refund policy in that window. If they don't move, exchange them, do whatever you need to do according to your store rules in the area. So that's some good game. That's an easy play that anybody can run. All it takes is a little bit of time to get out there, take action, and get it done. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Leave your boy a comment. I know it's been a minute. Let me know if you tried this strategy, if you've done it before, if you're going to try, or what happened when you tried it. Just let me know so we can get some interaction going on. I love y'all. See you on the next one. Until next time, be blessed.